Today, I'll show you how to download sound effects from memes.co.in. First, open Google and search for memes.co.in. Now, click on the official memes.co.in website from the search results. Once the site opens, scroll through the page and go to the sound effects section. Browse the list and choose any sound effect you like. After click download, a pop-up window will appear. Wait a moment for it to load and then click download again. Your sound effect will now start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. As you can see, the sound effect plays successfully. You can also explore meme videos, viral GIFs, sound buttons, soundboards, and more. That's how easy it is to download sound effects from memes.co.in.